Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Scarecrow channel. Today I got something different. So I ordered a Zippo, and right now on Zippo.ca they have this promotion where you basically buy one, get one free. And the free one is a mystery Zippo. So I don't know what it is. So what I did order is one Zippo and an insert. We'll talk about that in a little minute. And then what you get is a mystery Zippo, some fluid, and I bought this as well. But so yeah, it's a little promotion they have. I've seen a few of these videos online and thought I'd try one for myself. This is the mystery Zippo for 2026. I have not looked at my mystery Zippo, as that's kind of what people are doing online. So first take. So let's take a look at the Zippo that I did order. And the reason I know which is which, because I just looked at the back. So I ordered this cowboy skull design. And let's take a look. Okay. Yeah, that's freaking sweet. Okay, let me pause for a second and I'll take this sticker off. I only got one hand. And we're back. There it is. Nice. Gold insert. She's bone dry right now, but that's pretty freaking cool. I did order one of these as well. It's a yellow flame pipe insert. These are supposed to be one of the better ones. Come out of the side versus the top. There's a lot of reviews on those, so I won't really get into that. But here we go. Mystery Zippo. Let's see what it is first. Eagle flag. All right, let's take a look. Boom. That's pretty dope. So you got like a 59 bucks too, huh? That's pretty damn sweet. So even though I'm in Canada, that's still pretty cool. Cool eagle from neighbors down south. Okay, let me take that sticker off and I'll be right back. All right. Nice. All right, so short and sweet for this one. Oh, I forgot. You guys are always looking at these as well. So A22, so January 22. And this one, nice. Focus, B25, 26, B26. February 26. That's pretty cool. All right, that is it for me. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.